I came to Pune in August as part of a study abroad program in the hopes of learning Hindi and experiencing living in India. When I arrived, I came to know that my host family, the Dates, own an old, well-reputed photo studio in Pune. I got to see old photographs of presidents, prime ministers, and dignitaries, and hear stories from the last 100 years of the Date Photo Studio.
I am Panduranga Date. I am in this line for last 50 years. I am the third generation of this photo studio, as I can proudly say that. He was my father, Nilkantha Date. He passed away in 1985. My grandfather, Shivram Date, started this studio long back in 1950. Now we are completing 100 years of our studio. We are mainly specialized in group photography. Of course, we does all type of photography, and we are the official photographers of many institutions from Pune, including Pune University. We have clicked many very important occasions. My father and I have clicked many great people.
Hi, I'm photographer Snehal Date. I'm fourth generation of Date family that I'm doing photography. And I do portfolio, child photography, fashion photography and wedding photography. When I was in school, I used to do some of my homework at studio because my mom was there in studio and she used to help me when I was very small, say first to fourth standard. That time I was not able to understand what is studio and for what people come here. But it was fun that every time people used to visit our studio, they would ask, "Oh, who is she pretty girl?" And it's fun. Every time I have enjoyed studio and being in the studio from my childhood. Just be like this and look into the camera or look into the light. Yes.
Once it was happened like that. It is a story of my father's age. President of India came to Ferguson College. My father arranged all the people from the photo, the dignitaries and the standing people. They were there, and my father arranged. When he went there and saw to the dignitaries and others people, are they in a good position, if there is no wrong, at once he felt that the Gandhi cap the president was wearing was not correctly positioned on his head. So my father, even though he was told that not to waste the time, not to go to that area, he went very near to president and by his hands he adjusted the cap of President of India. It was a very great incident, popular at that time in Pune. The Puneans talked about that great story that Mr. Date adjusted president's cap by his hands, even though much security was there. I am personally photography. Date Studio is my breath. I can't minus Date Studio from my life.
Actually, ever since the studio began, there has been the tradition of the wives helping their husbands in the studio. When my older daughter was just 7 or 8 months old, I used to keep her in the studio while I did my work. At first, I don't have any interest in photography, but once day uncle was an assignment and I was alone in the studio. First one customer came and I told them to wait. Then second came, then third, then fourth. Then realized that I must learn photography, and so I took a course in Ferguson College. Now I help with the accounts in the office and with taking pictures. Once I even took a photo of Pandit Bhimsen Joshi when he came to the studio in a hurry. Now I can't imagine my life or my family without the photo studio.
Till my 10th standard, my parents didn't allow me to take use camera. But after my 10th standard, we went to zoo, and that time, first time I used zoom lens, and I was capturing tiger at that time, and I was very new to that camera. And tiger's face was so close that the zoom camera was there, zoom lens was there, so I could see only face of the tiger. And the tiger was looking that side, and suddenly he turned his face like this, and I was so frightened. I just went 3-4 feet back, and my dad was just there, and he was just looking at me, and he was laughing at me that I just got frightened. But that was very different experience when I used for the first time. उनके sad expressions, उनके happy और some serious, all type of expressions I can catch in portfolio. In group photos, सब लोग in group photo, all people smile at a time, and they just look into the camera. They are so stiff in a group photo. So I prefer portfolios for my career. And regarding fashion photography, I love glamorous field, and I enjoy company with Marathi celebrities and all. So I like to take I like to do that also.
My dream is Snehal should take our studio up to the sky. Sky is the limit for us, and he should broaden our way of thinking, serving to the Pune's.
My husband likes that I've opted very unique profession, and he definitely supports me a lot regarding photography profession. Sometimes I go home very late, and he's very supportive for that. So I'm sure I can continue with my profession for long period. And I don't know, just now he's in IT, but maybe after some years he may feel to come back in this profession and do some work. So might be it would be fun. And even my sister is in Hong Kong right now, but I'm just hoping that she'll be back to India, and both of us are working together in photo studio, and we are running studio for long. And about next generation, I don't know, actually photography is in our blood. 4th generation have already doing it, so I just hope that our next generation can also, it will be in their blood also, and they can just continue for many years after us. So just hope for many more years.
Maybe 125th year she will celebrate. It's my dream. I may not be there, but she will be celebrating 125 years of our studio.